Are you worried about AI taking over your job as a tester or a test automation engineer? Don't worry, I've got something for you. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to explain to you 3 key techniques that will help you not only survive, but thrive in the age of artificial intelligence. My name's John Ferguson Smart, and it's a little known fact that my background is actually in artificial intelligence and natural language processing. So all this talk of ChatGPT and AI is not all that new to me. So I can give you a few key techniques to survive. The first one is learn to leverage AI for what it's good for, and that's being more productive. AI does not mean that people with low or no coding skills can write code. AI allows you to do that more productively. See, expressing yourself in a way that a computer can understand, that's unambiguous, that's comprehensive, well, that's coding, no matter what tool or language you use. But what AI does is it allows people who know how to leverage it and who know what good code looks like to be way more productive. And that leads to the second point. You need to learn to code well. AI can help you generate code. It can help you understand existing code. It can help you propose new ways of doing things. But you need to stay in control. You need to be the one who understands what you are doing, what problem you are solving, and why you are solving that problem. Remember, you're the one who'll be maintaining the code. AI doesn't care if it spits out anti-patterns or unmaintainable code. It's just autocomplete on steroids. You need to keep in control. The third thing, and this is really important, is master your domain. Your impact does not come from you knowing automation tools or knowing ChatGPT. It comes from knowing how to apply technological solutions to help your business. That's why behavior-driven development, BDD, is such a key skill that you need to master. No matter how powerful these tools become, there will always be a need to help business folk get clarity on what they need and why, and to express it in unambiguous terms that can be implemented and tested automatically. And that's what behavior-driven development is all about. So essentially, if you want to stay ahead of the game and not let AI take over your job, what you've got to do is adapt and grow as the techniques change. You want to use AI to be more productive, sharpen your coding skills, make sure you know how to code well, and master your domain. Remember, AI is here to help you and support you, not to steal your spotlight. Keep the reins in your hand, know how to communicate effectively and efficiently, and make sure you're solving problems in your industry. That way, you'll always be valuable and irreplaceable, even in the age of AI.